What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the video. It's your boy Hollywood here, and today's video we're going to be talking about this NBT hoodie that I got on. I got the exclusives with the fast lane game going down the side. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but yeah, we're going to be talking about the hoodie. We got the Ducati out. We got fresh meat on her. I've already been cooking just a little bit, and I really don't like how this is already starting to wear a little bit. Like, I've been going to the track, but it's only in the middle. But fresh meat. We got JC, we got Luke, and we got Jeremy over there. Here go these faggots right here. For those that want to say hi. What? How you doing, sir?
You got some DSLs, buddy.
Hey,
Are you recording?
Yeah.
He's an op. Oh my god, he's a cop.
So yeah, I'm going to attempt to hop on the bike and explain, or kind of go over the hoodie in little detail. But I don't know if we're going to be cooking on the way back or not. But like I said, I'm going to try to explain. But if I'm going too fast, then probably not going to record because all the wind noise and stuff like that. But yeah, let's get on the bike, jump to the video. While they're dicking around, changing bikes and stuff, let's go over the sizing real quick. That's like the biggest thing that everybody wants to know. How does it fit? It is just a little bit oversized, but so like, if you get an XL, I'd say get an XL because, like I said, it's a little bit oversized and it's going to fit perfectly. Now, when you put the pads in here, I will say you do look like kind of like a bobblehead because you got pads everywhere. Like, you got shit everywhere. But it fits pretty much perfectly for me, and I like how the wrists are tapered off because they fit inside your gloves, and that's something that I look for when I'm buying gear. Can my wrist fit into my gloves once I put it on? But yeah, I would recommend going with the same size hoodie that you get normally, and you should be fine. Okay, and then speaking about the armor, so the armor comes with it is CE level 1 protection. Now, this is the old gen clothes, so like the new level, I mean the new gen, it'll have, I want to say it's AA rated, AAA for abrasion and tear in the seams. But and it's also air mid line, so you have air mid lining on the sleeves and throughout the entire hoodie. It also makes for a good little layer to knock off the like little chill when you're riding as well. So like, you throw like, if it's cold out, you can throw like a long sleeve on or a thermal and this hoodie, and you'll be good to go. And also, you know, if you got heated grips, that's a plus. So yeah, when you buy the hoodie, it comes with all your armor that you need. It comes with a back plate, comes with elbow protection and shoulder protection. The only thing I wish it did come with is, like, compared to my buddy JC's hoodie, it has like a chest protection on his, but like, I don't have that on mine, which, you know, you can throw something on under this. Like, I'm thinking about getting a Tech Air 5 to put under my regular hoodies. That way I have something if I don't want to put this on. But this is a little difficult trying to put it on and off, especially if you go to like a gas station or if you gotta leave real quick. Normally I'm not gonna take this off. So, but in the summertime, it is pretty fucking killer. Like, it is hot, but you're protected. So you're giving up your comfortability for protection. I can do that. Another thing is the weight. How heavy is it? So if you haven't bought anything NBT, so I got NBT pants on, NBT hoodie. The pants or hoodie without the armor in it, it has some good little weight to it. I don't know the exact weight measurements off the top of my head. I'll throw up on the screen, but yeah, like, it has a good little decent weight to it, and that's something that you want to look for when you're buying gear. It's like, is it too flimsy? Is it too much weight? This is like somewhere like right there in the middle. And then obviously when you put the armor into it, it's gonna add a little bit more weight to it, but not like drastic weight, like weight that you can manage and ride in comfortably, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, the weight is not a big deal, but you will definitely notice it when you put it on. You're like, okay, you know, this is, you know, got a little weight to it. And that's what I like. I like oversized weighted hoodies, and this is just exactly that. So if you want that too, it's gonna be freaking perfect for you. All right, next thing is comfort. So how comfortable is the hoodie? This thing is pretty soft. The inside, like I said, has, oh, we're not gonna be able to see it, but I have to pull back the armor and stuff like that to show you. But like I said, the inside's air mid lined, and then you also have this little, it's not like silk, but it's a very soft t-shirt material almost. It's like a soft t-shirt material almost, and like I wear short sleeves on this hoodie all the time. Like, I'm wearing one right now, and I could wear this hoodie all day. Like, I remember when I first bought this hoodie, like, I literally just tried it on just to like see how weighted it is, and like, it's freaking comfortable. Like, it's comfortable level. I'll give it like a 10 out of 10. because like I said, it has a little weight to it. It's kind of like wearing like a weighted blanket. It like calms you in a way. Like it's that comfortable. Like you could wear this on long rides, cross country, whatever. Like you're gonna be set. You're not gonna worry about being comfortable, uncomfortable. Now I will say with the armor, when you ride, sometimes it'll get twisted. So like either the armor will be on the inside right here, or it'll be like on the top of your forearm. But when I get to the stoplight, well, when I have my gauntlet gloves on, I just take this little seam right here, and I just rotate it around, and it's perfectly on my elbow when I come to a stoplight or while I'm riding, and I don't have any issues after that. That is one design flaw I wish that they will kind of like update a little bit, and I don't know how far they can update it or what they can do to help that, but you know, it is what it is. I mean, it's better to have something than nothing. So like, I'm not complaining entirely too much because I'm grateful for whatever it is, you know what I'm saying? Okay, and then special features for this hoodie. There's not really a lot of special features, but the one thing I do like is a little tab in the back. You can put it through your belt loop, so like when you're riding, your hoodie's not flying up and your ass cracking and your back is showing. That is one good feature I like. And even without that, you have a back piece of armor, so like I said, it's weighted, so your hoodie's not going to fly up much anyways, but it'll reduce the sun rays and wind and stuff like that on your ass crack. So so if you're looking for something like that, this is the hoodie you need to get. And I also didn't go over this, but pricing. Let me just say this real quick. Pricing, I believe this hoodie is going to run you, I want to say like $230, $240. Don't get me wrong, I'm not going to look it up on my phone, but I'll throw it up on the screen because I'm lazy. But I always say you pay for what you buy, right? This is a premium hoodie. It's weighted, it's airman lined, you get armor with it. It's not some cheap bull crap you're gonna buy on Alibaba. So like, you know what I'm saying? You're paying for quality and comfort, so like, why not? And you're gonna be protected, so why not? You know what I'm saying? Compared to the jeans, I think they are a little bit more expensive, the hoodie itself, but I'm not too sure. Like I said, I throw it on the screen because I'm lazy, I don't want to look it up. But yeah, I mean, hopefully, I know this was just a little gas station video just sitting around, but like, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit like button, subscribe, share, comment down below something you want to see them improve on, or if you're thinking about getting a hoodie, let me know. I can kind of talk to you a little bit because I am an affiliate. Use my discount code Hollywood. My description will have the link to my official affiliate link to their page, and when you hit that link, you'll get 15% off, or if you use my code, you'll get $10 off. So whatever fancies your whatever you fancy, you can do either or. But help me help you type of situation. You're helping yourself, saving a little bit of money, and then while you're saving a little bit of money, you're helping me out. So, and all that money goes back into the channel, so you guys don't have to worry. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. It's your boy Hollywood. Don't forget, wear your gear, ride safe, keep chasing greatness, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.